Hi everybody, I'm Brian Otten from the Axway Catalyst team. We're here at API World 2019. The Axway Catalysts have been speaking at great events like this all over the world, and we're going to do something a little fun today. We're going to go and ask people what do they really think about full API lifecycle management. Come on, follow me. Just tell me who you are and what you're doing. And
Sure, my name is Marty Bacall. I work for Open Legacy, which is right over here. You know, Open Legacy does API generation for legacy systems.
What does full API management lifecycle mean to you?
Well, full API lifecycle means creation of the API, deployment of the API, deciding if you need more, or managing them, and watching the information and making sure they're still alive. It also means modifying them as needed, and even taking them out of commission and the end result.
And what does full API management lifecycle mean to you? What would your answer be?
Anything from the conception to design, implementation, the testing, and then checking the quality and security of the final solution.
Right. Yeah.
My name is George Mitri.
George, here's a question for you. What does full API lifecycle management mean to you?
It starts from the discovery of the APIs all the way until it's deployed, and in between there are all kind of different stages there, from the specs, writing, the designing, the collaborative work that needs what problem this API we're going to solve, until the development team, the security team, the testers, everyone going to have a stake into that API, and then until it gets to a sandbox deployments and then to a production deployment.
Excellent, right. And then monitoring, constant feedback after that?
Monitoring and
Awesome. Yeah, I like it. I love your answer. If I asked you what does full API lifecycle management mean to you, what would be your answer?
I don't know what it means to me. From the internal side, it's more about like structuring our increasingly complex system in a way that newer developers don't have to understand the whole system in order to make changes to pieces of the system. So it's sort of the same microservices benefit that you hear about all the time. In terms of public API, it's more about like getting earlier in the process. More of those customers have procurement systems, have like various bureaucracy that they have to go through in order to buy. So like being able to integrate with them earlier in their process makes it sort of easier for us to be there at their point of need.
In doing your own APIs, there's some kind of need to understand what's going to make your customers happy, like what is the value they're going to get out of your APIs.
Yes.
Yeah, and what do you do to discover what that is, and how do you plan?
We talk to the customers.
You talk to the customers? Yeah. Do you get them involved really early?
We get them very early involved
Yeah.
to know what are the requirements they need, how can we help them, which process we need to integrate with. Is it Salesforce.com they need, or is it another system? What kind of system they need to integrate, and then we try to integrate our API that works with their system plus other softwares.
Cool. Hey, so thanks for following us around. And as I said, the Axway Catalysts are speaking at events like this all over the place. We're writing great articles and blogs. We're seeing customers all over the world. It's an exciting time for us. So we'll see you next time in a city near you.